today I'm going to be showing you my solar system project. Ow! If you like it, guys, leave a like and maybe subscribe because that'll really help me. And if you do subscribe, I can do good content. This planet here is Jupiter. This planet here is Saturn. This one's Mars. That one's Earth. That one's Venus. That one's Uranus. And that one's Neptune. And that's the Sun. And that's Mercury. That's an asteroid. And that's a black hole. And it's hard to see, but there's an asteroid belt, but it's very hard to see. There's a comet as well. And I've used a few stars, like, to help it look like the solar system on the sides. And it says solar system right here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you like the solar system, remember to put a like and turn on notification bells. Boom shakalaka ding dong ding.